Hello there, thank you so much for joining me again. My name is Tommy and I'm the author of the book The Explorational Journeys, Part 1 in the Self-Help Guide. We continue with discovery of the prologue and we're at Part 2 of page 2, which is the Embracing the Process. As we continue, we're at Activity 4. Creativity as mindfulness. Goal: using art to cultivate presence and awareness. Steps. Step 1. Set up a quiet space free of distractions. Step 2. Select a repetitive creative activity. For example, coloring patterns or creative weaving. Step 3. Focus on your breathing and the tactile sensation of your materials. Reflection. How does being present in the creative process impact your emotional state? Mindfulness is very important in all aspects besides just creative practice and with the stresses of living and life in many people's circumstances. The creativity as a form of mindfulness is really important. So please don't forget to keep following, click the like and subscribe at the bottom. It'll be really great to hear what your creative as mindfulness stories are about. See you soon.